Oh, I like this wig cap. She kind of thin. Okay, so we got the unit. I know y'all only see my eyebrows, but that's okay. We got the unit right here. I did go ahead and co-wash it, and I did use some of my lace tint. So this is what the hair looks like. We have a Kinky 13x4 lace closure wig, and this is the kinky edges. Y'all see those edges? Y'all see it? I really like that because not everybody got that sleek straight back kind of edge thing, but we're gonna go ahead and put it on. But inside of the wig, you do get some combs, you get the adjustable bands, you got the combs in the back for all the security, and then you got this little lace. Make sure I don't cut the... I'm a little thirsty. This is beginner friendly because y'all know I'm the queen of the quick weaves and the sew-ins, but yeah. So I already know my head's super duper little, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these and just, I gotta tie mine because the girl's head is little. And so far, because these wigs usually be too big, this one fits. This is what the hairline is looking like. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, we're gonna cut this lace. I look real ghosty, like I feel like I look like, okay, and so we're gonna cut the lace off. Not too much, not too much. All right, so the lace is looking a little gray, but that's okay. We're gonna fix it. I'm gonna go ahead, but first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead because I want to do this like glueless. This is fitting my head really, really good. And I'm surprised because sis, that never happens for me. But the curl is just so pretty. Like I said, I went ahead and co-washed it. I'm gonna be using this argan oil. I'm gonna go ahead and just use it to like lay down like the curly edges, if that makes sense, because I don't want to straighten the pieces because it defeats the purpose of the hairs, because look, they're so pretty. Let me utilize what's in my package. Get your money's worth, sis. Get your money's worth. Okay, so here are the baby, well, the curly baby hairs, and they are really, really nice. Like, do y'all see that? They do look nice. You do see the black knots, but that's okay because I feel like when you bleach your knots, I feel like it just makes the hair shed a lot quicker. So what I'm gonna do, I don't want to, like, you don't really need to put any heat on this area right here. Like, it's a good quality wig. So what I'm gonna do, I'm trying to see what I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna do this. What I'm gonna do is put some mousse here to kind of like lay it down to get the curls going, and then I'm gonna tie it down with this, and then we're gonna make the curls pop. Let's get to it. Okay, boom, let's go. Okay. So while we have our bands on, I'm trying to decide like if I want to do just like a I don't know, I kind of want to, let me see about a middle part while it's like kind of wet, so I could just go in and, you know, because I feel like the middle part, I've always been a middle part kind of curly girl. Yeah, I think I'm feeling the middle part more. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take some mousse and just put it up here just so it could like tame it a little bit more. without the heat, because you don't have to have heat for this. You see that? Boom. This hair is so good. Wow. Okay, I'm just gonna do this to like make sure it stays, you know, stays put, because you really should be doing this from the bottom up. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn around so you can see the bottom of the hair. So this is the hair. It's really pretty. Look at those curls. They look so natural. I'm gonna go ahead and spritz it down with, I'm like, yeah, I'm a hot mess. I'm spritzing it down with my water so we can get some curls going. I did already wet it, so I don't need a whole lot, but just to get a little bit of some We're gonna go ahead and just, ooh, let me spray the bottom. It's a little dry. But this hair is soft. This is soft. I like this. This is lightweight. Like, it looks like a lot, but it's soft. It's lightweight. And y'all got this little old, like, detang, like, I don't know why I bought this little one. But let me section this off a little smaller because I think I'm doing a little too much. Ooh. And I feel like to get my curls locked in, I like to like brush under after it's detangled and then just like do this. But I'm gonna go in with a little bit of product in a minute. But I'm gonna take some mousse just to like, yeah. Sorry. That's what happens when you have a 10-year-old son and you try to say all the hip, cool stuff that they be saying on TikTok. That would be me. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and then I'll be back. The hair is not like completely dried yet, but what I'm gonna do is take off the band. That looks crazy. Look, okay, so the hair dried with like, you know, like the little natural pieces. And it's actually pretty adherent to my head. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the what you call this, edge brush, and I'm gonna kind of just like, because I want it to look, you know, like it's kind of like just in there with the hair, like natural kind of, and I don't want it to be like flat. So I'm gonna just do this with the comb. I'm gonna put a little bit of layers because I want it to be like, you know, I want it to be layerful. So I'm gonna just take the scissors and start cutting. Let's go down like, what you do to one side, you gotta do to the other. Okay, so here is the finished look. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little more mousse towards the end since I did kind of like cut it. I want to bring out like the coils just a little bit more. A little bit more. And you guys, I did chop. But I feel like, you know, I feel like curly hair looks better when it's a little more voluminous. You see like that curl? Super pretty. Okay, so this is the final look. I really love how this hair came out. It's super duper natural and I really like the kinky edges kind of vibe. It's different, it's new. I think it's definitely good for the girls that don't always want those super duper sleek edges, and it really mimics, you know, 4C textured hair. And I just like how, like, I just love how luscious and real this hair looks. Wow, I'm super duper in love with this. I cannot wait. I'm gonna be rocking curly hair like all summer. I really love this hair. It's so good. I feel like it looks so good. I cannot wait for summer to completely get here because I'm going to be rocking all the curly hair. Leave your comments down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video for more. Thank you so much for Sunber Hair for sponsoring this video. Until then, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.